los terroristas.
Just because, as you know, you do suck up quite a lot of things.
So, quite often you have to empty your load.
That's the outtake. That's the outtake.
Take two.
Manda tweeted me saying, "Oh my god, I cannot wait for this." it sucked quite heavily. I mean,
I have to make eye contact with fucking Hoover.
I know.
I can't look at you, I have to look at the Hoover and think I'm talking to a real person. This is definitely going in the outtakes and I'll definitely miss the plot.
it doesn't come out much. There's not many fires.
Try and use some crazy cussing.
So, the rumours are, Henry, that you're not actually from this country. Rumours are, immigration found that you're from Australia. Why am I speaking?
Fucking Hoover.
This is why you hire actors in real life. Take three. Safely. Take four. Guess who I am?
Yeah, yeah.
That was so crazy.
I think I've lost the plot, mate.
Hello there! Oh my god, I've never seen this thing. How long is it?
What, 2 minutes?
Number two.
Oh. I can't believe I'm listening. Oh my god. That's. Oh. Oh my god!